Okay, so this topic, chapter 3, correlation and linear regression, you have one topic under plotting as well. Okay, it calls scatter diagram. So scatter diagram is actually you're plotting two variables, okay, or in other words, you just plot x and y. Okay, so this is to determine whether the existence of linear relationship between two variables. Okay, between two variables. So how you get the things done, so it must, when we set linear, means what? Linear means that it will be either a straight line going up, meaning to set that the slope is positive, or going down if the slope is negative. You just have the pattern of it. You don't need to have lines in between. Okay, so how does the pattern looks like? So let us go to the next part. Obviously you can see that for the A, you can see that you don't have any relationship here. You can see the plot here, okay, is like rough. They have no pattern straight saying is in line of having positive slope or negative slope, right? Same goes with this one. You can see that it's like going curve for maximum point like this. So it's a curvy linear relationship. Okay, so look at this one. Okay, so it seems like it's going up, see that? Okay, so means that it's a positive linear relationship. Okay, so if this one is going down, see that? So means that it's a negative linear relationship. Okay, you have only need to identify positive or negative. Okay, so obviously you can see now, oh, so pretty and so neat the line, the dotted it is. So for sure this is positive linear relationship. But look at this one, this is like going down, right, the slope. Okay, so this is negative linear relationship, see that? Okay, so you just need to identify the pattern, but do remember you no need to join up the lines. Okay, now again, this is what we get from the SPSS, right? Okay, or even the Excel form. So actually you don't need to have black dot like this. Okay, you just have cross like this is enough already. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, so we straight to one of the example, okay, in March 12, question 3b. So look at this question. A school headmaster planned to increase their tuition classes period hours in order to decrease the number of students who failed in their examination. He randomly collected information from other schools in his town for his plan. The table below shows the data gathered. Okay, so you have tuition class, then you have number of students who failed. Okay, so tell me, what is your X here? Okay, so for sure this is your X and this is your Y. Okay, please highlight the important things here. Okay, look at the first one. Question asks you to construct a scatter diagram for the above data. So does the scatter diagram exhibit a linear relationship between tuition classes and number of students who fail? Okay, so this one you may need a graph paper. So take out your graph paper. Assume that this is your graph paper. Okay, so take out your graph paper. Okay, and do remember, as usual, always remember to write in your title. Okay, your title. Okay, so what's your title? Okay, you always start with scatter diagram of. Okay, you always start with scatter diagram of what? Okay, so you look at the question. Scatter diagram of what? Of the tuition classes period hours and for students that fell in their examination. Is that okay? So you just get it up. Okay, scatter diagram of what? Okay, scatter diagram of of the tuition classes period for students who failed in the examination. Just copy, but with the title you must start with scatter diagram of. Is that okay? Okay. For your title, so now let us go for your x and y axis. Okay, axis. Okay, at the same time, okay, you highlight the variable name for your y-axis. So now go for your x-axis. So you have done for your y-axis, x-axis. Then don't forget the variable name.